Hello, everybody. Um, Today I'm talk about the project. The topic is how to make a safe neighborhood. My name is Lady Joana Ibanez, and this work is for the teacher Luz Aida Chavez. The first topic I want to tell you is my tip is keep in contact with the police of the quadrant. Today, the National Police has been organized by quadrants with the purpose of making police action more efficient. Therefore, as citizens, we can contribute to security by know the quadrant and providing information to the police to identify source of security and thus be able to improve the sector and the response of the authorities. My second recommendation is important to identify garbage points. This sector is important because in sectors is a focus crime or unhealth, for which it is essential to maintain or keep clean lines and thus prevent it from become a vulnerable point for citizens. And the tip number 3 is take care of your environment from your neighborhood. It is important to maintain communication with the neighbors so that community clean up activities can be carried out on land without construction. Take care of common areas, keep common areas well lit, strengthen green areas, and pay attention to critical points and new phenomena. It is also important to take care of the water and carry out controls so that people don't waste it. Thank you.